I'm interested. Let's get to the next one. So
Yeah,
wait,
the
what was
next
your vote on it? Don't start
no,
it.
don't start it.
Okay. Hmm.
So the next one is beets.
Hmm.
What do you say?
I can't wait to get to Beats this year. I was so tempted to buy some in the grocery store. I think it was like $1 a beet for like a red beet. Like I did like that's craziness. But anyway, um I've never started beets indoors, but I have oversowed beets outdoors and transplanted them. And surprisingly enough, they did really well. You know, I struggle with basically thinning and throwing away that thinned
Yeah.
vegetable plant. So that tells me that you really can start them and then transplant them. And I've seen people do that. I know you don't grow beets, but you do things like I don't know if it's later in the list, like transplanting. Is it turnips that you do?
I'm not getting into the list too. You can't
Okay,
get
all
ahead
right.
on the.
Well, the idea is that this is something that's creating a root, and
Yeah.
based on that, basically start it where it's going to live.
So,
So I'm gonna say the best version of your beets are going to be direct sowed.
well,
That's my
I'm
half
gonna
answer.
tell you that I am growing beets this year, and I
I
want
can't
to.
believe I didn't send you the golden beets when I sent you that last package. Dang it!
Yeah, it's too late now. The reason why it's
Yeah.
too late is because I started them inside and I planted
Okay.
them out.
Okay.
So I did that because when I direct sow them, just like you, the roly polies and
Mhm.
stuff, kind of get them. So I figured, hey, let's get the plant up and running. I
Yeah.
think the trick is, and you'll hear this repeatedly over the show, is when you have like a root crop, the key
Hmm.
here is 4 weeks in that cell. Don't let those if you don't let those roots get root bound, and it when you pull it out of the cell, if it has plenty of room left in the dirt, it doesn't matter, right? That's the way I
Hmm.
look at it. Like um,
Yeah.
things happen in nature and things bump seeds, so we'll see this year. My beets are looking pretty good. So
Okay.
I will say
Okay.
that. I did a whole row too. Usually I just do like a couple. I did a whole row.
Hmm.
So we'll
Hmm.
see how it turns out. But yeah,
You
we're
remember
gonna go
which
for it.
what variety?
Yeah, it's our Detroit Red Dark Beets that we have in our shop.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
I got
figured,
you.
if we're gonna sell it, I might as well put my mouth where my money is and go
Yeah,
for it. So,
I'm
and it's
excited.
probably gonna be
One
the
of the
skunkiest beet you could ever taste, but that's okay.
I mean, yeah, there's definitely some
Yeah.
some earth around, any kind of red beet, but yeah.
Okay. So I say for right now, I say do it, but just be careful.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So the next one, yes, yeah, very young. So the next one here is carrots. I know this show has mixed feelings about that. Go
I'm
ahead.
very straight, no pun intended in my feelings. I say, oh, I know what you're gonna say. Don't start them indoors is my vote. I know why you think that I would like to start them indoors because I did 1 year. You
That's
see how
I've
people don't
just
let you get away with anything? 1 year, I had a rectangle container. I sowed carrots indoors with the intention on letting them grow because they were never going to be moved as far as the carrots out of the container. I took them outside once the weather broke in the spring and let them continue to grow. The only reason why I don't recommend it is I use like just regular old container soil, some type of potting soil. Every year I get to a point where I'm fighting all kinds of bugs in my grow area. So that's the reason why I wouldn't recommend what I did. So that's different than starting them indoors and then transplanting them into a different space. So I'm recommending neither.
yeah. So the only reason why I hang it over your head and I bring up old stuff for is because I mean, you had a valid point in trying it.
Yeah.
Like I
Yeah.
remember talking to you about it, and you were like, "Why not? Let me just try it. If I can grow a carrot in the house,
Mhm.
great. And if I don't, fine." And I think that's great. I don't think, for the record, ladies and gentlemen, Batavia and Leonard, for that matter, and Honey, if you're awake, I'm talking to all of you. I don't think that Batavia is all about planting her carrots and transplanting them. I don't think that at all. I think it was a good test. Refresh my memory though. Were you successful?
unless there's video evidence that says I wasn't, I was successful.
That perfect. That's what
Like,
I'm talking about. That's a
every
true gardener
service.
right there.
I don't know how big those carrots got, but I feel like I remember them growing, um, continuing to grow. I should say that because I put them outside at a really good time too.